Strip footing Python parts in ALLPLAN. These Python parts are used to design and model strip foundations, which are continuous footings that support walls or rows of columns. Using strip footing Python parts in ALLPLAN involves a few straightforward steps to create, customize, and finalize your strip footing design. ALLTO strip footing Python parts in ALLPLAN streamline the creation of sections and rebar labels across multiple drawings, making them easy to manage and modify. Single footing is one of the most simple and common types of foundations. Now, engineers can easily get it done by ALLTO PythonParts, modify parameters, update drawings, and maintain consistency effortlessly across multiple plans. This functionality simplifies the process, saving time and reducing errors in structural design workflows. If you'd like personalized guidance or training materials, let us know.